Welcome to our quick comparison of two popular rice cookers from Zojirushi. Today we will be looking at the 3-cup rice cooker/steamer and the 6-cup rice cooker. Both of these appliances promise to make your rice cooking experience easier and more efficient. Let's dive in and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to price, the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker is priced at $59, making it a more budget-friendly option for those who need a smaller capacity. On the other hand, the 6-cup rice cooker is priced at $79, which reflects its larger capacity and additional features. If you're looking for a rice cooker that won't break the bank, the 3-cup model is the way to go. However, for those who often cook larger meals, the investment in the 6-cup model may be worth it. The capacity is a significant factor when choosing a rice cooker. The Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker is perfect for small families or individuals, allowing you to cook up to 3 cups of rice at a time. In contrast, the 6-cup rice cooker caters to larger families or gatherings, with the ability to cook up to 6 cups. This makes the 6-cup model more versatile for those who frequently entertain or cook larger meals. Both rice cookers come with essential features, but the 6-cup model offers additional functionalities. The 3-cup rice cooker is straightforward, focusing on simplicity and ease of use, making it ideal for those who want a no-fuss cooking experience. Meanwhile, the 6-cup rice cooker includes advanced features like a programmable timer and multiple cooking settings, providing more flexibility for various dishes beyond just rice. This makes it a better choice for those who enjoy experimenting in the kitchen. In conclusion, both the Zojirushi 3-cup and 6-cup rice cookers have their unique advantages. The 3-cup model is perfect for small households and budget-conscious buyers, while the 6-cup model offers more capacity and features for those who need it. Depending on your cooking needs, either of these rice cookers could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.